Hey guys, it's Lindsay, and today I am giving the review of the pull-out blind corner cabinet. Now, when I installed it, you can see it comes in like 3 or 4 different pieces. I installed the base, and then I installed the piece that slides back and forth. And then it's fairly easy to install because all you do is you just insert these little clips to put the baskets on. And then after you insert the clips, you just hang the baskets. And after you hang the baskets, you're pretty much done. You can see here what it looks like when it's pulled out. Now, one issue I've had, and this isn't an issue with the product, it's really an issue with, I guess, my measuring. One thing I didn't take into account for was the way the door stuck out. So I had to install it further over to the left, which didn't give me as much clearance to pull that other cabinet out. So I want to point out a few things that I might have done wrong. I already installed this that I did a review video on. It's just, it's a single double tier pull-out shelf, and it works great, but I might have miscalculated how wide I need this to be, because let me show you. I can pull this out. It pulls over, but I don't have enough room to pull that out, which is okay because honestly, I'm going to use these drawers for things that I rarely use. Like those larger Tupperware. So this is what I'm going to be using the majority of. So all in all, it really does save space, makes things more organized. It keeps things off the bottom of the shelf, and it just looks better. I know it doesn't look super organized now, but it feels more functional and it works better. From a distance, I'm going to show you what it looks like to pull this thing out, slide it over just like that, and then push it back. It comes with these little handles that you put on it to push it out and in, and that's it, guys. So I'm really excited about this piece, and I would definitely suggest it.